Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and this beautiful project drawing here, and this is a small and this is a small and looking perfect and this body is a drawing here, and all process is learn here step by step, and this is a so nice looking. This body is perfect and this project is very useful and helpful, and okay. And guys, this project is drawing here easily and all process is learn here step by step, easily drawing here. Okay, and this is a multi-section view is you can see here on the screen, and also change a okay also change isometric view. Okay, this is isometric view is this body, and fit. Okay, zoom out. Okay, this is perfect and a simple body looking perfect and color is gold, color is very nice, and back side is also looking perfect okay, this is a very nice project drawing here, and how to easily draw all process is learn here. Okay, okay guys, let's start here, learn all process step by step. Okay, okay. At first click a mechanical design, and okay, and click a generative sheet metal design and click a part any. Okay guys, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first select a plane is XY plane and select a position use a position sketch. Okay, and swap and reverse vertical direction. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a use a circle is a diameter is 185 is okay, 185 is correct okay, this diameter is 185 and click exit. Okay, and use this set metal parameters because all command is not activated, and at first click this set metal parameters, then all command is activated. Okay, and all command is activated, and this is a setting a sheet value is setting here, thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, click OK, and this is a use a wall, and this body is create a sheet. Okay, and invert material downside and click OK. This is a create a sheet and thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter, and click all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect okay, and all plane is hide, and this is a use a this is a shading with edge. Okay, okay, and again some, and this face is click here and use click a position sketch and swap and vertical reverse. Okay, and click this is a hide, this is a hide, and click right click, and this is a show, all line is showing here, and use a offset tools offset command and click offset, and anywhere click anywhere, and this is a offset line is drawing here. Okay, convert a minus 8.2. okay, this is a perfect, all is looking perfect okay, 8.5 is better, minus 8.5 is perfect. Okay, and click exit. Okay, and click this surface stamp use a and click this body, and direction is out downward, and click a 80 degree. Okay, angle is 80 degree, and click this is a height is 8. Okay, this is a looking preview is showing here, and first radius is 3.3 and second radius is 3.2. okay, all is preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, looking so perfect. And again this face is click here and click a position sketch and swipe and reverse vertical, click OK. Okay, and this is a offset command is used here. Okay, click OK. This is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a minus 5 is 5.1 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a correct. Minus 4.8 is better. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. And again click a surface stamp, and surface stamp definition dialog box is pop up, and all is correct. And at first select this circle line is, and this is a 40 is better. Okay, and preview is showing here, and the first radius is 10 is correct, and second radius is a 30 is correct. Preview is showing here. This is a looking perfect. Okay, but again change here. This body is 55 is correct, and this is a 40 is better. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, all is looking so perfect. Okay, and this is a select a shading with edge without smooth edge, and click a this and click a boundary. Okay, this is a perfect. And click this face this. Okay, this is a hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and use a some boundary teardrop. Use a command is use teardrop, and some boundary is drawing here, and this is a length is 1 millimeter, and also this is a 1 millimeter is radius, and click this is a this all boundary is 1.2 is better, 1.8 is okay. This is a 1.8 is correct. Okay, this boundary is drawing here, all is perfect. Okay, and material is apply here. Okay, fit all in and zoom out. This is a correct, and material is apply here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and right click a property, reflectivity is very high, and use a color is gold, meeting room. Okay, this color is perfect, and also apply here. This is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and use a isometric view is correct, and use a multi view is also discussed here. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is also looking perfect, and this is a back. Okay, this is a back side is looking here. Okay, zoom out. Okay, perfect, and also this is a perfect zoom out, and also this is a perfect zoom out. Okay, Okay, all is perfect. And guys, all process is learner easily and a step to step, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next project video is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.